Hello traders. In today's video, we are discussing the ICT Average Daily Range. This concept measures the typical daily price movements and is used within the ICT framework to set expectations for the day's potential range. Let's get right into it. On the chart, the average daily range can be visualized as a zone or pair of horizontal lines projected from the daily open, representing the average distance price has traveled in recent days. Traders use this to observe whether the current day has used a significant portion of its typical range or still has room to move based on historical averages. As for the core concept settings, the calculation typically involves averaging the high to low range over a specified number of recent trading days, such as 5, 10, or 20 days. The look-back period affects the results. A shorter period reflects more recent conditions, while a longer period provides a more stable average. This concept is useful for any trader who wants to understand typical daily price movements. Keep in mind that this is a statistical average and does not predict how far price will eventually move on any given day. Market conditions vary, and individual days can significantly exceed or fall short of the average. Use it as a reference point, not a guarantee. If you'd like to learn more, I've included the link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.